Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with my April Splendies unbagging. So I've got my handy scissors here. And let's see, this month's package is in blue tissue paper. And so for those of you that are not familiar with Splendies Volupties, it is an underwear subscription. I'll leave details down below. But every month you have the option of getting three pairs of underwear, and they're a complete surprise. The only option that you have is whether or not you want to have thongs included or not. And I've opted to have them included. So every month there are 3 random pairs of underwear that are selected for me and shipped for it's right at $16.99. So you can't beat that price for nice underwear. So it looks like I've got a trio this month of lace and black. So this is the first pair here. And these are by Spree Intimates. And the nice thing about this subscription is you pick your size, and if the cut or the manufacturer size is a little bit smaller cut than what you normally get, then they will automatically upsize you. The next pair is by French Affair, and they are suggested price of $24, and they are full lace as well. So no thongs this month, but just full lace. And then the last pair are just a pair of brief styles. And these are by Ed Hardy. And here we go, Ed Hardy. And the suggested price of these is $36. So nice stretch there with a little blue band detail across the top. So here we go. So this is always exciting because, again, you never know what's going to be in your package. If you are interested in getting surprise underwear via subscription box, the information is down in the detail box. And until next time, take care.